Hey, this is Chuck Reed with Kriete Truck Center, Green Bay. Here we've got a 2020 MACK PINNACLE. This unit is factory 505 horsepower, 18-speed manual transmission, full lockers, magnum front bumper, wet kit, 213-inch wheelbase, 358 rear ratio, 539,000 miles. This truck's ready for work. Come on down and see us or check out our website, KrieteTrucks.com. Talk to Chuck if you're looking for a truck.